સેકન્ડ ગ્રુપમાંથી એક છે ફર્સ્ટ રિદ્ધિ પ્રફુલભાઈ મિસ્ત્રી નવસારી જિલ્લામાંથી ને સેકન્ડ છે કુશવા ખુશી વલસાડથી.
દરેક સ્ટુડન્ટને ફાઇનલ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન માટે
A very pleasant afternoon to one and all present here. Today, myself Dhey standing before you to speak upon a revolutionary development, the quantum mechanics. So, let us dive deep into this ocean of quantum technology. Next slide. So, first let me tell you what quantum mechanics is. Quantum mechanics is a theory that emerges from the need to explain phenomena occurring on an atomic and subatomic levels. It describes physical properties of nature on the tiniest levels. Quantum mechanics has already transformed our lives in ways we may not realize. For example, it has developed several products such as first, MRI or magnetic resonance imaging. It enables doctors to visualize human internal body parts, important in healthcare industry. Second, semiconductors. These are important in working of transistors, microprocessors, and integrated circuits, the backbone of modern day electronics. It is important in all electronic gadgets industry. Third, quantum computers, perhaps one of the most exciting development of the humankind. These computers can process enormous data in under a second, computing multiple possibilities, solving complex mathematical equations, and giving multiple solutions to a problem in under a fraction of a second. Next slide. Yet, every revolution comes with its obstacles. Some of the major issues comprises, first, decoherence. Qubits, which are the fundamental units of this technology, are very fragile and can lose data due to tiniest disturbances such as vibrations, temperature fluctuations, or noise. Second, cost and energy. Operating this technology might cost us millions and billions of dollars because to stabilize these qubits, we need to cool them near temperature nearly colder than outer space. This requires us complex infrastructure and different climatic conditions, hard to achieve. That's why it is economically insensible to operate this technology. Third, security. Our data, banking systems, and our defense networks could all be at risk due to this quantum computers breaking current encryption methods. Next slide. But despite the challenges, it offers us immense amount of opportunities, such as, first, it improves drug discovery and material science. It has brought a revolution in this industry. By using quantum simulations, we can simulate chemical reactions and try out different combinations of mixing out different materials, boosting the development and discovery of different drugs and materials, benefiting the industry. Second, global communication. By using QKD or quantum key distribution, we can make an transfer of data more efficient, faster, and safer. Third, precise sensing. By using quantum sensors, we could detect any physical hidden object in our surroundings and notice any changes in our environment. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. Let me start with a confession. Quantum physics is weird. So weird that Richard Feynman once said, if you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics. And yet, this weirdness is the reason we all have mobile phones, lasers, and even Google Maps in our pockets today. What is quantum and quantum age? Quantum refers to the minimum discrete unit of any physical property such as momentum or energy. The quantum age refers to an emerging technological era driven by quantum mechanics for enabling technologies such as quantum computing and quantum.
So, Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, beloved coordinators, and my dear students. On behalf of the Gujarat Council on Science and Technology, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the state-level science seminar and the launch of IYQ 2025 outreach kits. Today, as we gather here, we not only celebrate innovation and scientific spirit among our students, but also mark the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology, a year dedicated to unlocking the endless possibilities of quantum frontiers. The theme of this year of quantum is Quantum Age Begins, Potential and Challenges. With this, let us begin this inspiring evening.
नमस्कार। आज इस कार्यक्रम में मौजूद सभी लोगों का दिल से स्वागत है। जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि संयुक्त राष्ट्र द्वारा वर्ष 2025 को इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ क्वांटम साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के रूप में घोषित किया गया है और हमें बताते हुए अत्यंत गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि इस वैश्विक पहल में एक गौरवशाली शैक्षणिक संस्था की भागीदार के रूप में गुजरात सरकार के साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी विभाग में कार्यरत गुजरात काउंसिल ऑन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा आज इस महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया हुआ है। इसी कार्यक्रम के अनुसार हम हमारी भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार हमारे मुख्य अतिथि मेहमानों का पुष्प गुच्छ के द्वारा हार्दिक स्वागत करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले मैं हमारे गुजकोस के मेंबर सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर नरोत्तम साहू सर से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे हमारे मुख्य मेहमान श्रीमती पी भारती मैम का पुष्प गुच्छ के साथ हार्दिक स्वागत करेंगे। थैंक यू सर। अब मैं गवर्नमेंट साइंस कॉलेज गांधीनगर के आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर डीपी पटेल सर को अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे स्पेस एप्लीकेशन सेंटर इसरो के डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर शिल्पा पंड्या मैम का हार्दिक स्वागत करेंगे। थैंक यू सर। अब मैं गुजकोस के प्रिंसिपल साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर डॉक्टर पूनम भार्गवा मैम से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे विज्ञान प्रसार डीएसटी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर आदरणीय डॉक्टर वीबी कामले सर का स्वागत करेंगे। अब डॉक्टर वाईएम पटेल सर को अनुरोध करती हूँ कि गुजकोस के मेंबर सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर नरोत्तम साहू सर का भेंट के साथ स्वागत करेंगे। आगे गुजकोस के साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर मिस्टर पाविस सर को अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे गवर्नमेंट साइंस कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डीपी पटेल सर का पुष्प गुच्छ के द्वारा हार्दिक स्वागत करेंगे। आगे वैशाली पाठक मैम को इनवाइट करूंगी कि वो हमारे प्रिंसिपल साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर पूनम भार्गवा मैम का हार्दिक स्वागत करेंगे। थैंक यू मैम। गुजकोस से मिस झलक पटेल मैम को इनवाइट करूंगी कि वो इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर प्लाज्मा रिसर्च के साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर अमूल्य सन्यासी सर का स्वागत करेंगे। स्वागत की ये सुंदर रस्म पूरी करने के लिए आप सभी को शुक्रिया। अब आगे हमारे इस ईयर के इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ क्वांटम के बेस पर एक मूवी है जो आप सबके सामने प्रेजेंट की जाएगी।
Welcome to the dawn of a new era, 2025, the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. Declared by the United Nations, this milestone celebrates a century of quantum mechanics, a revolution that transformed our understanding of the universe. From securing our digital future to revolutionizing industries, quantum science is unlocking infinite possibilities. It's not just science, it's the foundation of tomorrow's world. Our mission is clear: educate the public, inspire the next generation, foster global collaboration, and tackle the ethical and societal challenges that come with quantum breakthroughs. India stands at the forefront of this quantum revolution. With initiatives like the National Quantum Mission, we are shaping the future of science and innovation. The Gujarat Council on Science and Technology, GUJCOST, partnering with the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology, endorsed by the United Nations, is proud to amplify this global mission. Guided by the Department of Science and Technology, GUJCOST is committed to making quantum science accessible to all. Through year-long initiatives, we are sparking curiosity, driving innovation, and positioning Gujarat as a hub for quantum research and applications. This is more than a celebration. It's an invitation to embrace the quantum revolution, forge partnerships, and build a future powered by endless possibilities. Together, let's shape the quantum-powered world of tomorrow. Join us. The quantum journey begins now.
Thank you so much, and I hope you have enjoyed the movie. Now, to set the stage, may I now invite an excellent scientist and science educator, Dr. Narottam Sahu sir, advisor GUJCOST, to deliver the welcome address and opening remarks.
गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी। आज हमारा ये बहुत अच्छा दिन है। आज गुजरात में गुजरात गवर्नमेंट साइंस कॉलेज में हमारा सारा 33 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 66 ब्राइट स्टूडेंट्स जो 10,000 बच्चे से सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, ये लोग आज सुबह से यहाँ पे एक नया युग का शुभारंभ कर रहे हैं। तो दैट जैसे हमारा बैनर लगा हुआ है, क्वांटम एज बिगिंस। It's a big journey, big excitement, and a great exploration to the new world and new future. So, respected chief guest, our Madam P. Bharti Ma'am, respected Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, Dr. B.B. Kamble, former advisor to Government of India, and former Director, Vigyan Prasar, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Dr. D.P. Patel, Principal, Government Science College, Gandhinagar, Dr. Silpa Pandya Ma'am, Deputy Director, Space Application Center, ISRO, Ahmedabad, Dr. Sanyasi from Plasma Research, Institute of Plasma Research, Gandhinagar. We have Professor Manish Jain from IIT Gandhinagar. All our distinguished jury members, Dr. Varsha Parekh, Dr. Amulya Kumar Sanyasi, Dr. Vaishali Pathak, Dr. Pooja Sharma Ma'am, Dr. Kuljit Ma'am from Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad, and Dr. Abhishek Gaur from PDEO. And the district coordinators, our teachers, and the bright students. Today, really, it's a great initiative of Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, and Gujarat Council on Science and Technology, GUJCOST, to give you that platform that we are entering to a new era where the entire world is celebrating what our scientists explored 100 years before. 100 साल का पहले जब लोग कोई सोचा नहीं था कि आटम को तोड़ सकते हैं, आज वो कंसेप्ट के ऊपर में हमारा भविष्य जा रहा है। आज हम लोग ऐसा दुनिया का सर्जना करने के लिए जा रहे हैं जिसमें लाइट, साउंड and information, they will dance together, and they will be performing the work just like a gym in Alauddin का दीप जो है, ओके। तो इस इतने जो काम करने वाला जो साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इनोवेशन आ रहा है, दैट्स इज कॉल्ड एज क्वांटम एज। पहले जमाना था हमारे पास डेस्कटॉप था, डेस्कटॉप के बाद फिर सुपर कंप्यूटर था, सुपर कंप्यूटर के बाद अभी क्वांटम कंप्यूटर को लिए हम लोग काम करने के लिए जा रहे हैं। गुजरात इज द फर्स्ट स्टेट हमारे पास with the support, guidance, and all the policy level development. So GUJCOST and DST has established 26 supercomputers for our young generations and our faculties, and that is also great usability in comparison to other states. But now we are also, when the world is announced that this 2025 would be celebrated as International Year for Quantum Science and Technology. So GUJCOST, under the able guidance of DST, Government of Gujarat, we are the first organization in that institutional where we have received the United Nations Pattern Agency as a IYQ 2025 year-long activities. तो इसी के लिए गुजकोस्ट पूरा सारा राज्यों में एंड अलग अलग प्रदेश में ये क्वांटम साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी का काम करने के लिए अभी तैयार हो रहे हैं एंड इनके कोऑर्डिनेशन चालू हुआ। आज आप लोग जब क्वांटम एज के बारे में बात करेंगे, 66 स्टूडेंट में कोई एक स्टूडेंट जो हमारा जूरी मेंबर बताएंगे कि इसके हिसाब से हम लोगों का कोई एक हमारा गुजरात को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे नेशनल लेवल में। इसके साथ आपको और समझने के लिए और इसमें जाने के लिए एक क्वांटम आउटरीच किट हम लोगों को बनाया। तो ये हमारे पास जो हमारा सहयोगी है मंथन एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, आई वुड वेलकम अभय भाई ऑल्सो, अभय कोठारी एंड कथन कोठारी. So they are working with the GUJCOST team and with the guidance of Dr. B.V. Kamble. It's a beautiful kit has been also that been designed. So that will be released by our honorable chief guest P. Bharti ma'am. So with this word I welcome Dr. Kamble sir, Dr. Shilpa ma'am, Dr. D.P. Patel sir, all our scientific jury members and all the teachers, parents. I think students are आप लोग थोड़ा थकी गए होंगे सभी बहुत ही कम टाइम में. आई थिंक आवर जूरी मेंबर्स विल बी अनाउंसिंग द डेट एंड देन वो जस्ट लाइक कुलजा सिमसम तो हमारा वो किट निकलेगा एंड आप इसके ऊपर में फिर आपका एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन शुरू करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक जो भी स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट होकर के जाएंगे गुजरात को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, he or she will be the getting the best exposure in terms of quantum practical demonstrations. बाहर में कि हमारा क्वांटम मॉडल रखा हुआ है क्वांटम कंप्यूटर का, वो भी देख सकते हैं कि क्वांटम कंप्यूटर का मॉडल अभी से कैसा दिखता है, जिसके लिए पूरा सारा वर्ल्ड पागल होकर के इनको बना रहे हैं. एंड सबसे महत्व की बात होता है ये जो प्रोग्राम है क्वांटम मिशन है, भारत सरकार के भी एक इंडिया क्वांटम मिशन करके IYQM करके एक मिशन है, इसमें भी काफ़ी काम हो रहे हैं. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो गिविंग ऑल सपोर्ट एंड गाइडेंस दैट ये किट कैसा अच्छा तरीके से सारा टीचर के पास पहुंच पाएंगे एंड सारा स्टूडेंट इसमें समझ करके इसमें नया नया प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. इसका भी वो लोगों को इनका चाहिए. दे आर वेटिंग फॉर आवर फीडबैक्स एंड योर कमेंट्स. सो विथ दिस वर्ड आई once again welcome our chief guest, all the dignitaries on the dais, all the scientific jury members, and I look forward to see that really that how quantum is coming and greeting to all of you. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर द मोटिवेटिंग वर्ड्स. अब मैं गवर्नमेंट साइंस कॉलेज गांधीनगर के आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर डी.पी. पटेल सर को आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वे अपने प्रेरणादायक विचारों के साथ हमें संबोधित करेंगे. प्लीज सर.
Good evening, everyone. It is my great honor to welcome our chief guest, Honorable P. Bharti Ma'am, IAS and Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat. A lot of thanks to being present at Government Science College, Gandhinagar. It is my pleasure to welcome Dr. Shilpa Pandya Ma'am, who is a Deputy Director, SEC, ISRO, Ahmedabad. I also welcome to Dr. Vinay B. Kamble sir, former Director, Vigyan Prasar, DST, Government of India. Dr. Nautam Shahu sir, Advisor and Member Secretary, GUJCOST. Shahu sir organize each and every programs very precisely, and also thanks for giving an opportunity today's program in our college. Welcome sir. I would like to welcome Dr. Varsha Parekh, Dr. Vaishali Pathak, Dr. Pooja Sharma, Dr. Abhishek Gaur as a jury member, and Dr. Poonam Bhargav, who is a principal scientific officer, and heartily welcome all the children's teachers and parents who came from across the Gujarat in our Government Science College. Today, we gather to celebrate International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. Quantum science starts from 1801 to 1803 by a practical experiment, double split experiment, Thomas Young. An experiment shows that there is a two slit. When light passes from these two slits, the shadow shows more than 3. It proves that particle nature of the light. And then there are so many experiments, practicals, so many equations in quantum mechanics, and a milestone discovery of cathode ray by Michael Faraday in 1838. And then lastly, today, in this year, we celebrate International Year of Quantum Science and Technology because in 1925, matrix mechanism by Werner Heisenberg and his team. So, we are so lucky we start a new age for quantum mechanics, quantum science. મિત્રો આપ સૌ જાણો છો એ પ્રમાણે સાહેબે કહ્યું એ પ્રમાણે 33 જિલ્લાઓમાંથી 66 જેટલા બાળકો અહીંયા પધાર્યા છે અને આમાંથી માત્ર એક જ આપણે સિલેક્ટ કરી અને ગુજરાતને રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરવા માટે બેંગ્લોર કર્ણાટક આપણે મોકલવાના છે. તો આ દિવસે વધારે ન કહેતા મને ખૂબ આનંદ છે કે આપ સૌ ગવર્મેન્ટ સાયન્સ કોલેજના પ્રાંગણમાં પધાર્યા અને બહુ સરસ રીતે આજનો દિવસ એક સાયન્સની ફેકલ્ટી તરીકે ગૌરવ થાય છે કે આપ સૌએ દિવસને માણ્યો. આમ જોઈએ તો જે ક્વોન્ટમ મિકેનિક્સ, ક્વોન્ટમ કેમિસ્ટ્રી પણ છે, ક્વોન્ટમ ફિઝિક્સ પણ છે, પણ જો ટફમાં ટફ સબ્જેક્ટ જો અમને લાગતો હોય તો ક્વોન્ટમ મિકેનિક્સ છે, મેથેમેટિક્સ છે એમાં. અને એટલા માટે આજના દિવસને હળવો ફૂલ બનાવ્યો છે. એ બદલ સમગ્ર ટીમ અને નરોત્તમ સાહુ સાહેબનો વિશેષ આભાર માની વિરમું છું. જય હિન્દ, જય ગુજરાત.
Thank you so much, sir, for your very kind and encouraging address. Now, science thrives on critical thinking, nurturing, and mentorship. I now call upon Dr. Varsha Parekh Madam, State and National Awardee Teacher and distinguished member of our scientific jury, to share her brief remarks.
मैं मंचस्थ महानुभावों को प्रणाम करती हूँ. मेरे सामने जो बैठे हैं सभी वैज्ञानिक फ्यूचर के, आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ, अभिनंदन देती हूँ बेटा कि जिस तरह से आपने एक गहन विषय को, साइंस के विषय को समझने की कोशिश की है. एक कठिन विषय, उसको आपने गुजराती भाषा, हिंदी भाषा, इंग्लिश भाषा और उसमें साइंस लेकर बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है. मुझे आज सबसे अच्छा ये लगा है कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा 8 से 10वीं कक्षा का, उसने 4 फेज पास किया है. मैं नरोत्तम साहू साहब और उनकी टीम को बहुत बहुत वंदन करती हूँ, धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि इस तरह से बच्चों को आगे ले जाना बहुत अच्छी बात है। सबसे पहले इनका 10 मार्क्स का टेस्ट हुआ इधर। टेस्ट के बाद बच्चा अपना प्रेजेंटेशन लेकर अपने बात को प्रस्तुत कर रहा है, और चौथे विषय पे जो ज्यूरी था उसमें बच्चा उसके अपने विषय को लेकर उसमें से क्वेश्चन आंसर दे रहा है। तो इस तरह से धीरे धीरे बच्चों को आगे ले जाना और विज्ञान की समझ से नज़दीक लाना एक बहुत सुंदर प्रयोजन आज हुआ है। सभी विद्यार्थियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। गुजकोस्ट की टीम को बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन और धन्यवाद देती हूँ। दूसरी बात मुझे ये लगी कि गुजरात के सिटी नहीं परंतु रूरल एरिया से भी बच्चे यहाँ आए हैं। आप किसी से कम नहीं हैं। आपने आपका डिफरेंस नहीं बताया है कि आप गांव से हैं शहर से हो। इसके लिए मैं विद्यार्थी, तैयार करवाने वाले शिक्षक, स्कूल और सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि इस तरह का प्लेटफॉर्म गांव से लेकर शहर तक गुजरात का एक भी कोने का जिला बाकी नहीं रहा। उसके लिए पुनः गुजकोस्ट ही ये प्लेटफॉर्म दे सकता है। उसके बात पर मैं पुनः सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। विद्यार्थी बहुत बहुत आगे बढ़ो बेटा। फ्लाई एंड फ्लाई, स्काई हैज़ नो लिमिट। थैंक यू सो मच। आज यहाँ जो भी विद्यार्थी आए हैं, हम दिल से कहते हैं आप सब विनर हैं, क्योंकि इस प्लेटफॉर्म को आपने पूरा न्याय देने की कोशिश की है। पर जब कंपटीशन होती है, एक विद्यार्थी को आगे जाना है, तो हम कभी जेलसी में नहीं। वो आगे गया, हम कभी भी जाएंगे। तो उसी हिसाब से हमने एक बच्चे को, एक विद्यार्थी को सिलेक्ट किया है। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड भी दिया है। हम सब ने मिलकर इसी विद्यार्थियों को पर बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। परंतु जो जो विद्यार्थी आज यहाँ आए, इस स्टेज को शोभायमान बनाया है, इस विषय में अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाया है और कोने कोने तक इस विषय को फैलाएंगे, इसलिए हमारी ओर से यहाँ आने वाले सभी विद्यार्थी विनर ही हैं। सभी विद्यार्थियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। पुनः हमें भी यहाँ योग्य गिना, इसके लिए मैं गुजकोस्ट को और आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ। शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर योर वैल्यूबल वर्ड्स। अब मैं हमारे वैज्ञानिक ज्यूरी के विशिष्ट सदस्य डॉक्टर अभिषेक गौर सर को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वे अपने संक्षिप्त विचार हमारे साथ साझा करें।
Good evening, everyone. So first of all, congratulations to all the participants for reaching up to the state level competition. And this platform gives me a true happiness that I'm able to see such wide talent from the Gujarat, as Madam has truly recognized them. And I acknowledge the GUJCOST and the government of Gujarat DST. Specifically, I would like to also congratulate to all the teachers who have accompanied this student, who have prepared this student, who have taught them what is a quantum computing, what is a quantum technology. Because we were, even when we came to the campus in the morning, we were not sure what we will see, because these students are from 8th, 9th and 10th standard. So a big hand of applause to all the teachers, all the mentors and the parents for encouraging their child, for encouraging their students. And this theme is very important for us. If I talk about the theme, it has a global significance. You know, all the developed country, it is a race now. And if we see these 66 students being a quantum computing engineers in next 5 to 10 years, it will be phenomenal for Gujarat. It will be phenomenal for the India. And I'm happy that that really has already started. I have two students who is doing now masters in quantum computing. One is in USA, UCLA, and another is in Imperial College London in quantum information theory. If we have such students, 60 and 100 students every year pursuing this subject, then we will absolutely ace in quantum technology in coming decade. Please, I request all the kids, keep your curiosity, keep learning, even after the competition. We have asked you certain questions after each and every presentation. Ponder upon that. Ask more questions, learn more. And I wish again all the best and the toppers who are going to represent Gujarat in the Bangalore for the success. Today's idea is our tomorrow's future. All the best, everyone. Good evening. Jai Bharat, Jai Vande.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring our participants with your vision and insight. This year, we have completed 100 years of exploration and advancement in the field of quantum science. And with this regard, year 2025 has been declared as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology by the United Nations, recognizing the transformative impact of quantum science on society, industry, and future innovations. To highlight the significance of the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology, I now request Dr. V.B. Kamble sir, former Director, Vigyan Prasar, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to kindly enlighten us.
Thank you. Mrs. Bharatiji, Secretary Science and Technology, Dr. Shilpa Pandya, Deputy Director SAC, my friend Dr. Sahu, other dignitaries on the dais, teachers, and my dear friends, students who are here and who have taken part with so much interest in this competition, in this seminar. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students, young scientists who have taken part in the seminar. Maybe, naturally, there cannot be more winners, maybe one or two or three. But what I would say, everyone who has put in an effort to learn something is a winner. So all of you are winners, and I'm very happy about it. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that's this particular topic which you have been, talking about, is that quantum age has come, really, quantum age began in 1895 when the Röntgen discovered X-rays. Then now we had Thomson discovering electron in 97, and then in 1900, Planck discovering the quantum or enunciating the quantum of energy. So it's really, we have been, now living in the quantum age ever since, so almost more than 135 years. But it's the 100 years of quantum mechanics, which was really, enunciated in, 1925. So we are really, now celebrating the centenary of quantum mechanics, quantum science, and then technology. So that's what you must always remember. And so what's really important is that, I want to just tell you a very short anecdote about Planck. That is in 1900. So the one who really put forward the idea of the quantum of energy and enunciated the quantum of energy. When he was a graduate student, he wanted to take up physics, for his field of research. And then his guide, he told him that, look, you don't go to physics because whatever has to be discovered has already been discovered. Now there's hardly anything to be discovered. You will only waste your time and years, and you may not even get proper, employment. But then he said, no, I just want to know about nature. I want to learn about nature. And it's only physics which can help me learn about nature. So he took to physics, and it was he who, now came up with this idea of this quantum of energy. So this is what really happens in every time. So it's since 100 years of obviously now quantum science now, let's say efforts of say Schrödinger and say Heisenberg and Niels Bohr and everybody. So now so many scientists and say physicists have contributed to the development of quantum science and technology. So, but there is 100 years now, okay? So this is really, after 100 years, we are seeing yet another revolution in terms of say quantum entanglement, in terms of the possibility of the quantum computers and the quantum teleportation and so on. So it's really a very challenging age that we have already entered. And say, I'm really glad that say, you youngsters with so many new ideas say, are now, say, will be the ones who will be taking this science and technology further ahead. Okay. So, but then to learn, to know about science and technology, to learn about science and technology, the ideas are rather abstract. I mean, it also involves a lot of mathematics. And also, I mean, say now, because the ideas are abstract, sometimes it is difficult to visualize and difficult to understand, say, the basic concepts and ideas, and I mean, say, even say this of quantum phenomena and also the technology. And that's how, I mean, say, we came up with this idea of this a kit or an activity package, say, which tries to explain the basic concepts of, say, as quantum science and technology, right from, say, even say before the quantum era, that's before the advent of quantum mechanics. That is say from 1895 onwards, okay. And then, say, now all the way, even the futuristic technologies, well, quantum computers have become already, I mean, say, a reality, and so they are in the state of evolving. But futuristic technologies, they say quantum teleportation. So these are all ideas, say now, and phenomena, say, which we have tried to explain in the kit, which has 33 activities, which I hope you all will like, which you will, and help you understand the basic concepts. Okay, so this is basically what I wanted to say. And then I will say now, once you work with the activity kit, you kindly tell us, say, how you say now like the activities, whether it helped you understand the basic concepts of quantum science and technology. So, and then say we can further perhaps modify it or even say add some more activities to that. So we'll depend very much on your responses to the kit. So I will say with this, we are in the midst of this centenary of quantum science and technology, and I hope all of you, at least some of you, will contribute to this revolution that we are already in, and this kit will help you understand those things. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kamble, for sharing the importance of this milestone and the impact for future generations. Now, let me request our guest of honor of today's function, Dr. Shilpa Pandya Madam, a pioneer of space technology and Deputy Director of Space Application Center, SAT ISRO, Ahmedabad, to share her thoughts with us. Madam, please.
Namaskar, good evening. Bharti ma'am, Sahu sir, Kamble sir, Patel sir, Sannyasi sir, and Poonam ma'am. कामले सर का लेक्चर सुन के मुझे लगा मैं एक और बार क्लासरूम में बैठ जाती हूँ. इतना इंटरेस्टिंग एंड द टॉपिक्स दैट ही टच अपॉन. आप सब लोग घर से निकले तो क्या सोच के आए थे सारे स्टूडेंट्स? क्वांटम क्या है कितने लोगों को पता था? बहुत बढ़िया. फिर तो हमारा फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट है. बट जितना पता था उससे आगे और कितना जानने को मिला. So thank you to Narottam Sahu sir and his team, correct? And there is lot of potential. At least हम लोग जब पढ़े थे तो quantum जैसे पटेल सर ने बोला ना, we found it to be the most difficult subject when we were studying. Even now also, I rarely understand any quantum mechanics or physics. सो डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट है, बट आप सब लोग बहुत ब्राइट हो. एंड अभी से इफ़ यू आर इंट्रोड्यूस टू द क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स और क्वांटम फिजिक्स, देन आप लोग तो पता नहीं किस तरीके का इन्वेंशन करोगे. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड बिकॉज यू आर फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया. Lot of potential is there, and there is no limit for our imagination and creativity. So quantum is giving you actually the freedom to realize your thought, the creativity and invention. सर ने एक वर्ड बोला, teleportation or teleporting something. क्या होता है? ठीक है, अभी हमारे लिए कोई एक इमेजिनेशन होगा टेलीपोर्टेशन क्या होता है, बट आप ये इमेजिन करो यहाँ पे कोई एक स्टूडेंट बैठा है एंड देन इन फ्यू सेकंड्स दैट स्टूडेंट हैज़ टू गो टू यूएसए. सिर्फ फिक्शन मूवी में लगता है ना कि हो सकता है, बट देन व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड इज मे बी आप लोग इस तरीके का इन्वेंशन करोगे जहाँ पे एक मैटर को टेलीपोर्ट करके हम दूसरी जगह पे लेके जा सकते हैं. आई कैन चेंज दी characteristics of a matter using the quantum theory. I don't know आप सब लोग wave theory and particle theory तक पहुँचे कि नहीं. So there are certain aspects which cannot be directly explained either by particle theory or wave theory, and that is what is bringing us to the quantum theory and quantum mechanics. That was the starting point. 100 years पहले इसका study and कुछ experimentation और कुछ रिलेशन चालू हुए, एंड आफ्टर 100 years वी हैव रीच टू ए स्टेज वेयर वी कैन यूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी फॉर सो मेनी डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस. सो बहुत उम्मीद है आप सब लोगों से. एंड जैसे मैम ने बोला ना, पोटेंशियल भी बहुत सारा है. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल मीट आवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस बाय यूजिंग योर क्रिएटिविटी and inventing so many lot of things. Special thanks to Technology-GUJCOST team for introducing the children to this topic, and what Sahu sir told me is 1 year subscription also each student is getting. So this journey of learning will continue. That is a very good initiative. All the best to all of you and congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam, for your valuable guidance and inspiring thoughts. And now we reach the most awaited part of the evening. We feel privileged to welcome our chief guest, Mrs. P. Bharti madam, a prominent Indian Administrative Service officer and the Secretary of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat. Madam combines expertise in engineering and public policy to drive innovation and technology-led growth in the state. May I request madam to address the gathering, please?
Good evening, all of you, distinguished guests on the dais and off the dais. I will not speak much. I think सुबह से 9 बजे से बच्चे आ गए हैं. I hope GUJCOST has taken good care of all of you. And I really congratulate Sahu Saab and his team for organizing this program. When I enter, I can feel the positive atmosphere here, really. And what is quantum, why it is important, how this revolution will go, I think very knowledgeable persons spoke about this. I will not touch upon those things. But my sincere request to all students is, you take this ahead, ask questions, learn more. I think Sahu Sahab just told that you are giving subscription also, take maximum use of it. And only one winner will go to Bangalore, but I feel all of you are winners only. Please, in every program, every competition, everybody will say that, but again, thoda so lagta hai ki I am not the winner, but don't feel like that. You are already winners, I am telling you. We need not, without announcing here also, you send one person to Bangalore. They should not feel also. Because, as everybody said, quantum is a very complicated subject. I also studied engineering and science. Still now I feel that quantum, my God. And he told me, ma'am, today all topper bache aaye hai. So I feel ki, my goodness, what I will speak to them. So, jara sa bhi mind pe mat rakhna ki you are not one today or something like that. please take this journey forward. I'm really, really very happy and proud of all of you. And I came to know that all districts participated, and out of 66, 41 are from girls. That is really India that when we joined this IAS, topics are how to bridge this gender equality, gender discrimination, all those stuff. Yeah. Now तो वो कुछ नहीं I think वो subject ही निकल जाना चाहिए. Because there is not necessary only, it's so much of society develop हो रहे, especially India, Viksit Bharat, our honorable PM Saab and leadership of CM Saab and all. Gujarat is always ahead of taking good initiatives, policy framework and execution also, all three things. And like, once again, I really from wholeheartedly congratulate Sahu Saab for organizing. As somebody mentioned, he takes it minutely, takes care of each and everything, and he organizes it very well. Thank you very much, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for inspiring address. Now, यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने ईयर 2025 को जैसे इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ क्वांटम साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डिक्लेयर किया है, ये एक बड़ा स्टेप है जो सोसाइटी, इंडस्ट्री और फ्यूचर इनोवेशन पर क्वांटम साइंस के ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव इम्पैक्ट को पहचान करवाता है. और इसी ग्लोबल इनिशिएटिव के साथ गुजकोस्ट ने स्पेशल डेमोस्ट्रेशन किट को डिजाइन किया है जो हैंड्स ऑन एक्टिविटीज के लिए हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. तो इस किट का मेन गोल ये है कि क्वांटम साइंस के कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्सेप्ट को सरल और सुलभ बनाया जा सके और हर एक स्टूडेंट्स इसको यूज कर सके. तो आज इस स्पेशल किट का अनावरण हमारे मुख्य मेहमान श्रीमती पी भारती मैम के हाथों से हम करेंगे. Yes. ये एक ही किट के साथ हम 33 एक्टिविटीज को खेल सकते हैं, तो ये सभी स्टूडेंट को इंटरेस्टेड रहेगी. Thank you so much, everyone.
Now comes the proud moment of the evening, the prize distribution ceremony. Firstly, let me thank all the students for your enthusiastic participation and attention throughout this memorable competition, that is the state-level science seminar. Giving you a brief, the third runner-up of the state-level science seminar will be awarded with a cash prize of 5,000 rupees, a trophy and a kit. The first runner-up or the second prize winner will be awarded with the cash prize of 7,500 rupees, a trophy and a kit. And the winner will be felicitated with the bumper cash prize of 10,000 rupees along with a trophy and a kit. And after careful deliberations and scoring by our esteemed judges, it is now my great honor to announce the winners of the state-level competition. In the third place, receiving well-deserved applause is Riddhi Praful Bhai Mistry from SET RJJ School, Navsari of 10th Standard. Your outstanding performance has truly impressed us all. I request our honorable chief guest to kindly do the honors. Ms. Riddhi, please. She's from 10th Standard and she has done outstanding in this competition. From SET RJJ School, Navsari. Riddhi Prafulbhai Mistry, SET RJJ School, Navsari, from 10th Standard. Congratulations to Riddhi. In the second place, please join me in congratulating Amresh Jain from Delhi Public School, Kutch, in 9th standard for his excellent achievement, and I request our Honorable Chief Guest to kindly do the honors. Amresh Jain from Delhi Public School, Kutch, from 9th standard. Ninth standard. Congratulations, Amresh Jain. Please stay on the dais. And now the moment we all have been waiting for. The first prize winner of the state level competition is Kushwaha Khushi from Marathia English Medium School, Valsad, in 10th standard. Kushwaha Khushi, District Valsad. Congratulations on your remarkable accomplishment. You have set a high standard of excellence and earned the opportunity to represent Gujarat at the national level in the National Science Seminar of 2025. I request all three winners to be on the dais for a group photograph. It is request to accompany the students. It is request for all the teachers to accompany the students on the dais. Please, teachers of all the 3 award-winning students from Navsari, Kutch, and Valsad.
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। एक बार सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फिर से तालियां हो जाए क्योंकि सभी ने इतनी कंपटीशन की है। नाउ हम किसी भी जगह जाते हैं तो एक याद लेके जाते हैं, तो यादों के दौर के साथ मैं साउ सर को इनवाइट करूंगी कि वो हमारे मुख्य अतिथि मेहमान को मोमेंटो के साथ सम्मानित करेंगे। Thank you so much, ma'am. अभी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे बैठेंगे, अभी कार्यक्रम चालू ही है। नहीं मतलब थोड़ा ये ज्यूरी का जो मोमेंटो का है वो ही बात है।
ज्यूरी ने मोमेंटो
हाँ
5 મિનિટ ઓડિયન્સને રિક્વેસ્ટ છે કે જસ્ટ 5 મિનિટ આપો, આટલું પેશન્સ રાખ્યું છે આપણે માત્ર આપણા જ્યુરી મેમ્બર્સ અને જે ડિગ્નિટરીઝ અહીંયા આપણી વચ્ચે પ્રેઝન્ટ છે એમને ખાલી મેમેન્ટો અર્પણ કરીને આપણે કાર્યક્રમને પૂર્ણ કરીશું. આઈ રિક્વેસ્ટ ઓલ ધ ઓડિયન્સ પ્લીઝ સેટલ ડાઉન ફાસ્ટ.